This is B63 to Bay Ridge Shaw Road. This stop is Brooklyn Bridge Park Road and Joralemon Street. Next stop, Atlantic Avenue and Henry Street. Transfer available to B61. This stop is Atlantic Avenue and Henry Street. Next stop, Atlantic Avenue and Clinton Street. This stop is Atlantic Avenue and Clinton Street. Next stop, Atlantic Avenue and Court Street. Transfer available to B57. This stop is Atlantic Avenue and Court Street. Next stop, Atlantic Avenue and Smith Street. Transfers available to B57, B61 and B65. This stop is Atlantic Avenue and Smith Street. Next stop, Atlantic Avenue and Hoyt Street. This stop is Atlantic Avenue and Hoyt Street. Next stop, Atlantic Avenue and Bond Street. This stop is Atlantic Avenue and Bond Street. Next stop, Atlantic Avenue and Nevin Street. This stop is Atlantic Avenue and Nevin Street. Next stop, Atlantic Avenue and 3rd Avenue. This stop is Atlantic Avenue and 3rd Avenue. Next stop, Atlantic Avenue and 4th Avenue. Transfers available to 2, 3, 4, 5, B, D, N, Q and R trains. Long Island Railroad. B37, B41, B41 Limited, B67 and B103 Limited. This stop is Atlantic Avenue and 4th Avenue. Next stop, 5th Avenue and Dean Street. Transfers available to 2 and 3 trains. B41, B41 Limited and B65. This stop is 5th Avenue and Dean Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and Warren Street. This stop is 5th Avenue and Warren Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and Douglas Street. This stop is 5th Avenue and Douglas Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and Union Street. This stop is 5th Avenue and Union Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and Garfield Place. This stop is 5th Avenue and Garfield Place. Next stop, 5th Avenue and 3rd Street. This stop is 5th Avenue and 3rd Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and 5th Street. This stop is 5th Avenue and 5th Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and 7th Street. This stop is 5th Avenue and 7th Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and 9th Street. Transfer available to B61. This stop is 5th Avenue and 9th Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and 12th Street. This stop is 5th Avenue and 12th Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and 15th Street. This stop is 5th Avenue and 15th Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and Prospect Avenue. This stop is 5th Avenue and Prospect Avenue. Next stop, 5th Avenue and 18th Street. This stop is 5th Avenue and 18th Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and 21st Street. This stop is 5th Avenue and 21st Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and 24th Street. This stop is 5th Avenue and 24th Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and 26th Street. This stop is 5th Avenue and 26th Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and 30th Street. This stop is 5th Avenue and 30th Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and 33rd Street. This stop is 5th Avenue and 33rd Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and 36th Street. This stop is 5th Avenue and 36th Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and 39th Street. Transfers available to B35, B35 and B70. This stop is 5th Avenue and 39th Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and 42nd Street. This stop is 5th Avenue and 42nd Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and 45th Street. This stop is 5th Avenue and 45th Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and 48th Street. Transfer available to B11. This stop is 5th Avenue and 48th Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and 50th Street. Transfer available to B11. This stop is 5th Avenue and 50th Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and 53rd Street. This stop is 5th Avenue and 53rd Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and 56th Street. This stop is 5th Avenue and 56th Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and 58th Street. This stop is 5th Avenue and 58th Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and 60th Street. Transfer available to B9. This stop is 5th Avenue and 60th Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and 66th Street. This stop is 5th Avenue and 66th Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and Senator Street. This stop is 5th Avenue and Senator Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and Bay Ridge Avenue. Transfer available to B64. This stop is 5th Avenue and Bay Ridge Avenue. Next stop, 5th Avenue and 72nd Street. This stop is 5th Avenue and 72nd Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and Bay Ridge Parkway. Transfer available to B4. This stop is 5th Avenue and Bay Ridge Parkway. Next stop, 5th Avenue and 78th Street. This stop is 5th Avenue and 78th Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and 81st Street. This stop is 5th Avenue and 81st Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and 84th Street. This stop is 5th Avenue and 84th Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and 86th Street. Transfers available to B1, B16, S53 and S93 Limited. This stop is 5th Avenue and 86th Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and 89th Street. This stop is 5th Avenue and 89th Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and 92nd Street. Transfer available to B8. This stop is 5th Avenue and 92nd Street. Next stop, 4th Avenue and 94th Street. Transfer available to B8. This stop is 4th Avenue and 94th Street. Next stop, 4th Avenue and 97th Street. Transfer available to B8. This stop is 4th Avenue and 97th Street. Next stop, 3rd Avenue and 99th Street. Transfers available to B16, B37, X27 and X37. This stop is 3rd Avenue and 99th Street. Next stop, 3rd Avenue and Shaw Road. Transfer available to B16. This stop is 3rd Avenue and Shaw Road. Next stop, Shaw Road and 3rd Avenue. Transfers available to B16, B37, X27 and X37. This stop is Shaw Road and 3rd Avenue. This is B63 to Bay Ridge Shaw Road.